Welcome back everybody to Crypto Jet, where today we're talking about Holochain. Now, Holochain is a little bit different than your average blockchain network because it is not in fact a blockchain, it is actually a holochain. So I hope I cleared everything up for you, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm just kidding. Let's just get straight into it. Obviously, I'm not going to stop you right there, but it is a little bit difficult for me to explain what Holochain is. So we're just going to use a quick Google search to help us. Now, the purpose of Holochain is to enable humans to interact with each other by a mutual consent to a set of rules without relying on any other authority to dictate it. So consensus, that's the whole idea. Consensus is a very important word in blockchains as well, and in Holochain it is also important. So it all has to do with these operators on both sides agreeing on the same exact thing and performing a transaction or deal of any sort in the world, right? Holochain is considered better than the blockchain at anything that demands less than universal consensus. Similar to the blockchain, Holochain is a decentralized technology based on nodes, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now let's move straight into the website. So what we can see, trust and security beyond blockchain. None of this really interests us, right? So how it works, you install an app which signs and stores your data on your device. You share your public data with a random set of peers. Your peers validate the data against the app's rules before storing it, and any invalid data triggers a network-wide security response. So it's a very nice way to secure your servers or data or app or whatever's happening, and it is available for obviously for app devs in normal applications. So it's serverless, connectable, very resilient, and also for blockchain devs as well, where it's configurable, scalable, and forkable. So as a human, you're not going to have as a human or an investor, you're not going to have a lot of value from Holochain unless you want to build on it. But just seeing that other people can build on it and do a lot of interesting things, it is a value investment in my opinion. So collaboration, energy grids, currency design, there's a lot of different stuff here. You can read a little bit about their blog, check out these videos, but I'm not too interested in that. Currently, the most important thing is that the market cap is at $2.5 billion at this point, and I do believe we can go even higher. You can purchase Holochain on Binance because literally only Binance has it available, and that's pretty good. The ticker is hot, and looking at the technicals, we just broke out of a beautiful bullish correction pattern. So what's happening right here? Let's just do a top-down analysis. So moving from the daily time frame, we can see that we have been creating a much larger bullish correction pattern, right? So this is a correction pattern, a counter trend line or whatever, and then we broke out, and then we were retracing, respected fib levels nicely, right? As you can see right here, 61% fib level, respected nicely. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that obviously fib level respected, and then we broke out of this little bullish correction pattern right here. And if we move on to the hourly time frame, we can see that we are forming another sort of little triangle or whatever this is right here. Yeah, and basically what I do expect to happen in the near future is a break of this mini pattern and a movement towards more upside, and my target would be the minimum price objective of the previous flag, which would be something along the lines of this at this point. This is how you get the MPO, or the minimum price objective, and that would be somewhere around here. Now, where does that lie on the total and max chart? So around this zone of resistance. However, for this bull run, I believe Holochain can easily reach the previous all-time high level as well. So that's going to be my second target. And the third target is going to be a little bit higher upwards as the minimum price objective of this larger bullish correction pattern, which would be something like this. Give me a second. Yeah, just a tiny bit higher than that, but the previous all-time high seems like a perfect zone. So I think that's it for today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Lastly, I wanted to ask you, let me know what you think of this. I've been seeing it all around the internet, and I don't really understand what's going on. So Bitcoin will all go to 7K, you lost Bitcoin. I really don't understand what's going on here. So please, if you know anything about these cities, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I cover it in the future. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.